Hey Lauren, how do you feel?
I'm ecstatic. How are you, Ricky?
So good. So excited.
We get a little pumped up, we get a little starstruck, but what's it for? We got these daydreams, we got these big schemes, these passions in our core. Oh, when we see the spotlight and I like it's alright to bust through
We're
the
in Texas,
window.
and we have, I think it's a 45 minutes before we board the Big Bird.
First thing we see when he's promised us more. Oh, you're bigger than
1 minute before we take a very long flight. But I'm so excited. We made it to Tokyo! We also had to go through another security check, and I failed that one too. So both security checks that I've gone through, they've had to search my bag and remove stuff.
This is like race coasters because I poured out the water and I went to your phone.
So first they confiscated my Celsius, then they confiscated a pair of scissors I didn't even know I had. So we're doing good, you know?
If we're gonna be honest, this part's the hardest, waiting in between.
Okay, so all the Starbucks are closed. So we're gonna try and find a little snack corner, and hopefully they have some coffee out
Show
there.
us the reason we're here in this season, and we're worth more than what we're running towards. Oh, you're bigger than we've ever wanted. Please take the pride I've ever flaunted. Oh, free me from fear of empty ambition. Here's all my plans, please take my heart.
So we made it to Bangkok. Lauren's behind me talking to her parents, but we're staying in a hotel. It is absolutely beautiful and so bougie. So we're literally just gonna go to sleep and sleep for as long as we can. It's like almost 1 in the morning here, and in South Carolina time it is 2:20 in the afternoon on Saturday, and we left at 7 something in the morning on Friday and have been traveling the whole time. So we're tired, we're gonna sleep, we're gonna eat, but we're here. So let the fun begin. Swadika! Hello guys, welcome back. So me and Lauren are officially moved into Thailand, and we thought it'd be really fun to show you guys around because we've had a lot of questions. So let's start with outside. So this is our door, glorious door. We have other teachers that live on either side of us, and then facing out, we have just honestly a really pretty view of like a courtyard. We have some plants. And then that is the school right here with 2 other houses being here and here. So I think it's so cute. We all live very close together. So a lot of community. Yeah. Going ahead and moving into here. This 1-bedroom apartment, we have both of our beds here. We have a bunk bed style, however we just sleep on the bottoms. We can use the top for storage. If not, you don't want to stack people because that kind of causes a lack of airflow, and you don't want that in Thailand where it's hot. So those are our beds set up. This is Lauren's, mine's in the corner. Like I said, storage up top, but we haven't really used it for that. We've kind of just kept it open. This is our catch-all table. It is a dining room table. It is a coffee table, a work table, whatever you need. We honestly don't use it for eating much because we tend to eat with the people at CDC all the time, so we really just use it for work and a catch-all to hold all of our stuff. Moving further into the bedroom, almost to the kitchen, this is our wardrobe. It is gigantic. I'll just open it up a little bit. We have so much space for our clothes. Both of our clothes are in here, but you wouldn't know it. There's so much space in it still. We have a cutesy mirror where you can see Lauren. She's videoing for me. So we have all of our clothes in here, which is nice, so we don't have to live out of a suitcase, because when you're here for 6 weeks, that gets old fast. And then this is our drying rack. We also have not had to use it as far as clothing go, because we haven't had to wash clothes since we've been here. So we will be putting this to use, but for right now it's just hanging out in the corner, holding a few extra things. So that's our bedroom and living area. So moving into my favorite part is the kitchen. We have a beautiful pink fridge, but it actually is a really nice fridge. We don't have anything in the freezer, and we have very few things actually in here right now.
Look at that dragon fruit.
Oh yeah, we're definitely having to go get some more things from the market, but for now it serves its purpose well, holding our chocolate cool. We have that. Moving in, we also have a pantry, very small, also running out of food. We need to go get some more food soon, but for now that's kind of what's in there. For our kitchen. Then the rest of this is storage. We have all of our like cups, everything, cups, silverware, plates, bowls, pans, whatever you might need for the kitchen, all fits in these cabinets. So really great for storage right by the sink. Even by our sink, we have the most important feature, which is our coffee setup. We still make very good coffee. We actually have coffee coming in, and I'm very excited to use it because we ran out of coffee and I need more. But we just use an easy French press, just easy breezy, you know.
Lemon squeezy.
Yeah. Our sink. Then we have all the rest of our appliances. We have our stove. If you use any sort of camp or propane stove, it's the same thing. We have our propane tank here we can turn on and use the stove. Cooks very well. We've only used it once, but worked well. We have our toaster. We have a rice cooker, which we haven't used yet, but if you know Asia culture, it's bound to be used eventually. And then a really fancy microwave that also kind of works as an oven. And so we have been warned not to blow things up on accident. So we're using this very carefully, but that's that. And then our fresh water, because it's not very healthy for us to drink their water. If we were here for a longer time, we could get our bodies used to it, but being here for only 6 weeks, it's just better for our bodies if we drink fresh water. So we keep that in there. Then before we go outside and show you my favorite part of the whole place, this is our bathroom. It's a very simple setup. It's called a wet bath. What that means is the shower and the bathroom and everything's all pretty much combined in one. So you have your basic toilet, you have a sink, I have all of our stuff on it, and then this is our shower. We are lucky, we actually have a hot water heater, which we haven't really used because we enjoy the cooler showers, but you can turn this on if you want and you have nice hot water. And then if everything goes out, water, power, which we've had power go out before, we go here and use this water they keep for us in this little can. So we still have access to clean water if everything else shuts off, which we did have the power go out yesterday, like all day. So
Yes, we did.
You never know when you're gonna need that. Then lastly, my favorite part is out back by this big door. So moving outside, you have a cutesy little porch. We like to sit, hang out, really just right there looking out. And then you have all these pretty palm trees behind you. So in the morning it's so pretty because the sun will come up on this side, and then you have a breeze that tends to blow in the cool part of the day. So I love it out here. Yeah, this is our apartment pretty much as a whole.
So pretty. Sorry.
Yeah, so be praying for us while we're here. This is our first week starting everything, all the lessons, all the teaching, all the everything. So be in prayer that we are faithful to the Lord and that we also just enjoy ourselves while we're here. Kind of stuck in this sweet opportunity. So now you know where we live, and follow along if you want to see what else we get to do while we're here.
It's so bright. You can't see anything?
Oh no! Oh, I definitely just hit record.
Oh wait, it's